Hello friends, and welcome to another episode of my vegan test kitchen. In this video I'm going to be making apple cider jelly shots. This one is for the adults. This is something that you can have at like a fall themed party, around a bonfire, that sort of thing. If you like watching scary movies and playing drinking games, this can be your shot. I just thought it would be a cute, fun little thing to do and a neat way to use apple cider. For our apple cider jelly shots, we're going to need cold apple cider or apple juice, fruit gelatin, sugar, a liquor of your choice. I prefer tequila, but ginger flavored vodka is also a good option, bitters, and I'm going to mix some cinnamon sugar together. To start our jelly shots, we're going to add our apple cider into a large skillet or a large pot with the heat off and sprinkle our gelatin over the top so that it can absorb into the apple cider. We're going to do this for 5 minutes until it's completely or almost completely dissolved into the apple cider. After the gelatin has dissolved into your apple cider, next you're going to whisk in your sugar and turn on the heat to a low setting and whisk it in for about 8 to 10 minutes. It doesn't have to be a constant mixing. You just want to make sure that it doesn't clump up and you're trying to get all of the sugar and the gelatin dissolved. You also don't want the heat too high because you don't want this to come to a boil. After that, you're going to cut the heat and stir in the liquor of your choice until it's well mixed together. Then you're going to fill whatever you're using to make your jelly shots with your jelly mixture and let it set in the fridge for about 2 hours until it's firm enough for you to unmold. My jelly shots still need a little time to rest, but I couldn't wait, so I unmolded one and I'm going to try it just to see what the flavor is like and see how it turned out. I'll make an update if the texture changes, but it's kind of grainy. I don't know if I just have clumps of gelatin in there because I didn't whisk well enough or what happened, but it's kind of lumpy. Also, you can definitely taste the bitters in this, but it's not bad. It actually just adds to the cinnamony flavor of the apple cider. This is going to be good for fall nights together. People hold bonfires and stuff on the beach in California, or if you're having a spooky time house party and you want to play a drinking game with your 21 and up friends. This is a good recipe. It's a bit strong for me. I don't drink a lot, so the flavor of the alcohol kind of kicks me in the mouth, but it actually doesn't taste bad because the sugar from the apple cider and just the flavor of the apple cider kind of helps balance it out. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on what's up with the texture, but it at least tastes good. If you're looking for the apple cider recipe, it is on my Ko-Fi page. If you don't know what Ko-Fi is, you can check out that video, but it is where I raise money for the channel so that I can continue testing and trying new recipes to bring to y'all. So if you head over there and check it out and you want to support, I would greatly appreciate it. If you're not subscribed yet, please do hit the button and the notification bell so you can know when I post new videos, and make sure to comment down below any recipes or decorations that you want to see so that I can test them out and you can know about them. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. Let me know if you try these boozy apple cider jello shots and if the texture turned out the same for you or if it came out smoothly. We can share tips. And don't forget to send me your photos on social media so that I can post and see how you guys did and how you made these recipes your own. I hope you had fun testing it out with me, and I bet you're gonna have a lot of fun once you try your shots yourself. For now, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.